Genuine refers to something that is authentic, real, and not fake or artificial. It can describe people, objects, emotions, or actions that are sincere, honest, and true to their nature. Simple, meaning genuine equals real, authentic, or sincere, not fake. Common uses. Genuine adjective, general. Something that is truly what it claims to be, not fake or misleading. Example: she gave him a genuine smile that made him feel at ease. Genuine adjective, person, describing a person who is sincere, honest, and authentic in their actions or feelings. Example: he's a genuine friend who always looks out for others. Genuine adjective, product, referring to a product or item that is authentic or original, often in contrast to a counterfeit. Example: the watch is made of genuine leather. Genuine adjective, emotion, describing feelings or emotions that are real and not exaggerated or put on. Example: her concern for him was genuine, not just an act. Examples in daily use. His genuine effort to help others made him very popular among his colleagues. She was looking for a genuine leather jacket, not a synthetic one. He gave a genuine apology for his mistake, which was appreciated. The store sells only genuine products, so you can trust the quality. I was touched by her genuine kindness and generosity. Real-life explanation. Genuine refers to something that is true, real, and not fake. Whether it's a person's character, an object, or a feeling, if something is genuine, it is authentic and sincere. It's the opposite of being counterfeit, artificial, or insincere.